What's goody, everybody? You know, I'm back again with another one with the Caprice the Beast. You know, we've been gone, chilling, man. Just cooling it out here. My man's car got fucked up, as y'all probably heard. Somebody rear-ended this shit, and, you know, shit happened. But other than that, I've been, trying to catch up as he's down. Not on some hating shit, but, just getting myself right. Got the Brembo brakes put on. I got the diff ready to get put in. I got headlights. Did some fucked up shit. I fucked my bumper up. Show y'all what I did. I fucked my shit up. Now I gotta go get a new bumper. Let's see. Split that mug. Yeah, I messed it up. But that's nothing, man. I'm gonna get that fixed. Quick couple $100 fix. But other than that, I've been chilling, riding, testing out the beast, Skyping on people, man. Hellcat killer out here. But show y'all what the Brembos look like. See what they look like. Freshly washed. Look at that fitment, though. Ooh, that fitment close. I went with the powder coating. I think it's called Blueberry Blue for the powder coat, so I can match the other blue accents I got on my car. If y'all know, I got the hydro dipped the mirror. Y'all see that? Hydro dipped that. Y'all see that? What else I hydro dipped? Hydro dipped that. Y'all see that? And the grill. So, just blue with the accent with it. I am planning on probably changing up the wheel colors. I don't know what I'm gonna go right now. If I wanna go new wheels or change the color on there. If y'all got any ideas, let me know. Definitely offer some ideas. But other than that, really I've just been chilling. About to get this stuff put in. Probably won't get the LSA this year, but it's coming soon. It's definitely coming. But y'all keep on subscribing, sharing this to your people. We appreciate the support that y'all been doing, really, man. It's the only thing that helps us get through and keep going, man. We're sorry for the delays and all the other stuff, but we just got a whole bunch of stuff going on. But hopefully we can get back to where we're supposed to be this year, man. Then hopefully we can make it to Power Cruise this year also. That should be nice. We're trying to go VIP. If anybody trying to go, we can link and all go up there. You know how it is. But yeah, man, catch y'all up on the next one. Like and subscribe, share, comment. Do what you do. We love y'all, people.